Here's the Roxanne 5 film title about The Bad Hair Day. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I think I'm going to cut my hair. I use my brush to my comb. It's not very well. Oh my gosh, I think I gotta go at Natalie's salon, hair salon. Oh, Yella. Yes. Just stay here, okay? Okay. You gotta go. Oh, my bag. Oh, I'm falling down. So, gotta go. There's it here. Tuk, 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 tuk. Hello? Natalie, are you here? Oh. You're just there. Okay. Go inside. Okay. Where I put my bags? Just put there, okay? It will be not there. I'll just put here. What's your problem? My problem is my hair gonna come to fix. Oh, that's a very hard problem. Yeah, that's very hard. So, can you fix it? Let's see. So just rest here like resting, okay? Okay. Okay? Oh, set, okay? Okay. Put your feet there. So your feet will be so strong. Do you have a ponytail? Yes. I'm gonna remove it. So, I think it's removed now. Yes, sure. Gotta sit down here first. Let's see if your hair can fix it. Let's see if your hair had fixed it. So pour water. I need the fresh air. So let's comb your hair. Let's comb. I think I'm gonna remove more. Put some more. If your hair is not too wet, and then comb. I think now it will be good. Okay. Filipino, but I cannot speak too much, okay? If my mom called me, please bear with me. She called me in Tagalog. So, fix with her. Here, yeah, here. Yeah, fix. I think it's need a hot water. So, you need a mom, but I cannot fix it with her hot water because I think her hair is going to die. Because her hair, look, it was a fake. So, she really rough. I think your hair will not be fixed. Oh my gosh, I want this happen. You have. Yes, I will pay.